Okay. In this case, inbound delivery is must. Inbound is must. If you remove this, only for one, if you create a purchase order for this store, these two store location, inbound delivery is must. Then as per our WM parameters, warehouse parameters, EWM has to be distributed to the EWM. It has to be distributed to but other store location, you not assigned, you not create order confirmation, not create order confirmation. Inbound delivery is not required. You can once you create PO, you can receive the goods directly from the vendor. Information is not required. This is the almost for the first class.
For outbound, we don't require any confirmation key or like that.
Sorry? No.
For outbound, we don't require any confirmation key.
Outbound delivery, no, not required. And as I know, it is not required. Outbound delivery, no, it is not required.
Yeah, I have one more doubt.
Yeah.
So can you just open that SAP?
SAP, yeah. This one?
Yeah. So in that confirmation control, here we have a control selection bar. Just press it.
Sorry, Sai, your voice is low.
Yeah, can you just open that the multiple selections of control keys? So in this one, we have different types of confirmation.
Yeah, confirmation. It is
a standard SAP provided one, or do we have any customized kind of a thing to?
No, you can standard is this one confirmation 0001. This is the standard actually. Is also the standard. These are all are customized. You can if you know the defining confirmation, that will if you. If you define, then there will category will be there, auto confirmation and all. If you just open and see, you can make out.
Okay.
I forgot the path where to define the confirmation. But here we for EWM it is not at all required for defining it now. Just to take the whatever the MAP for the inbound delivery creation. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You have to assign that. You have to assign that confirmation in the backend. Last execution. Okay. Any doubt in the first class?
I think not for now.
Yeah, okay, fine. Guys, actually, I will going to give you credentials for you, separate credentials for you, people. Shiv Prasad, Okay, this is a new system. What the credential I given earlier, that is a old system. Okay, the system I'll going to give credential now for this new system. Okay, I'll mail you guys. Okay, just ping me in WhatsApp your mail ID. Having the mail ID of Madhura, Sai, and Manju mail ID I having. Just ping you people mail ID so that give me some time. I will ask for credentials for you. Okay.
Okay.
Prashant, please share video as well as content.
Yeah, content. Okay, fine. I will going to check these videos. I will be 3 to 4 videos will be there, but the merging of the videos is required Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll merge it and I'll upload by tomorrow. If required, you can. I will share the content. Okay, this one is about video. I will share tomorrow.
Okay, okay, no problem.
I will share the all the documents itself, but this content you can get on today itself. But videos and all the materials and all we get tomorrow.
Okay, Prashant. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What about tomorrow's class?
We'll start as per the schedule, Prashant. 7.
Thought complete. Let us go to change mode. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Just double click it here in the warehouse. Double click. You can go down and insert your warehouse. 99. If inbound is not distributing now, then we have to while practicing. If your warehouse is not available in the distribution model, then it won't distribute. It will stuck in queue. This is not real time actually. What I'm telling is only for practice. You practice in the home. Okay. Just save it. Okay. I'll put this step as okay, or last step. Okay. Now, once we confirm the distribution model, just execute a distribution model, generate a distribution model for the warehouse. You have to generate now. Okay. SPR same thing. You have to generate a distribution model for the distributing of the queues, distributing of the inbound delivery, outbound delivery, the transition data to the we have to generate now. Okay. First one is creation. Creation is no need to create anything. Okay. Generally in the company it will be there, but now I have to now have to generate. Okay. Logical execution, extended warehouse management, integration, logical execution, SAP integration, okay, integration. This is setup for EWM connectivity. This is a setup for EWM connectivity. Okay. Generate distribution model for model. Configure generate distribution model. ERP to SAP EWM. Warehouse number is W99. Logical system of EWM. Logical system of EWM is this one. This is a distribution model view. This is what distribution model you have operated in the previous step. Okay, just click on execute. Okay, ultimately you have to get this result. If you are not getting this one, then this what you are saying is not getting, then your distribution model is paid, the connectivity is got paid. That means we can't distribute anything from ECC to EWM for your year. See, this logical system is sender, this is the receiver for warehouse. These are the ABAP object types and all. Okay, don't worry. And these are the receiver. If you are not getting this result, then your connection is failed. Then you have to check it. You have to check our distribution model. How I checked in the previous, that you go to 64, then open your distribution model, see, just confirm whether your warehouse is present or not. Warehouse is present, then your distribution model will work. Okay.